Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents: eat half teaspoon of baking soda daily and this happens to your kidneys. Sodium bicarbonate, also known under the name of baking soda, is a crystalline powder that has been used in different ways for a long time. In general, the powder is meant to rise dough when baking bread, but it's also a powerful cleaning agent and can treat a variety of health problems as well. Baking soda was introduced in the USA in the 18th century, which is also the time of the first baking soda factory. Sodium bicarbonate. The name can be often found on the label of various beauty and cleaning products and is an alkaline ingredient that can fight the acidity in your body. It is often used against heartburn and acid reflux and is great for your kidneys as it can prevent the accumulation of toxins in them. The kidneys are a vital organ for our health, so we really should pay attention to their health. To heal and repair your kidneys with baking soda. Number 1. On the first day, dissolve half teaspoon baking soda under the tongue. Number 2. The next day, mix half teaspoon of baking soda with half teaspoon of salt into 1.5 liters of water and drink each day for 2 to 3 days. Number 3. Then reduce your daily dosage to 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Kidney damage can be caused by living an unhealthy lifestyle, so the best way to protect your kidneys is to maintain a healthy weight and a healthy diet. There are millions of people around the world suffering from this problem, and many of these people are put on dialysis or are waiting for a renal replacement. Both options are difficult to endure and pretty costly as well, which is why you need to protect your kidneys from damage. A recent study in England showed that baking soda can indeed help the kidneys recover, which is great news for anyone suffering from the kidney failure. Most of the people in the study have had positive results, while only 9% of them saw their kidneys decline. Magdi Yaqub, one of the leaders of the study, is pretty excited by the results. According to the professor, baking soda is a great alternative to other kidney treatment options and won't harm your quality of life as well. Of course, further research on the matter is required, but for now, the results are promising. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.